A district road with a bituminous pavement has a horizontal curve of 1000 m for a design speed of 75 km/h. The super elevation is A1 in 40, B1 in 50, C1 in 60, D1 in 70. The correct answer is 1 in 40. The minimum value of camber provided for thin bituminous surface hill roads is A 2.2%, B 2.5%, C 3.0%, D 3.5%. The correct answer is 2.5%. Design of horizontal and vertical alignments, super elevation, sight distance and grades, is worst affected by A. Width of the vehicle, B. Length of the vehicle, C. Height of the vehicle, D. Speed of the vehicle. The correct answer is speed of the vehicle. Thickness of a pavement may be reduced considerably by A. Compaction of soil, B. Stabilization of soil, C. Drainage of soil, D. Combination of all the above. The correct answer is combination of all the above. The total length of a valley formed by two gradients, 3% and plus 2% curve between the two tangent points to provide a rate of change of centrifugal acceleration 0.6 m/sec2, for a design speed 100 km/h, is A. 16.0 m, B. 42.3 m, C. 84.6 m, D. None of these. The correct answer is 84.6 m. For the movement of vehicles at an intersection of two roads, without any interference, the type of grade separator generally preferred to is A. Delta, B. Trumpet, C. Diamond interchange, D. Clover leaf. The correct answer is clover leaf. If the ruling gradient on any highway is 3%, the gradient provided on the curve of 300 meter radius is A. 2.00%, B. 2.25%, C. 2.50%, D. 2.75%. The correct answer is 2.75%. As per recommendations of I.R.C., traffic volume study is carried out for rural roads for 7 days continuously during A. Harvesting, B. Lean season, C. Harvesting and lean season, D. None of these. The correct answer is harvesting and lean season. The minimum ratio of the radii of two circular curves of a compound curve is kept A. 1.25, B. 1.5, C. 1.75, D. 2.0. The correct answer is 1.5. Border Roads Organization for Hilly Regions was formed in A. 1947, B. 1954, C. 1958, D. 1960. The correct answer is 1960. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following. The super elevation on roads is A. Directly proportional to width of pavement, B. Directly proportional to velocity of vehicles, C. Inversely proportional to acceleration due to gravity, D. Inversely proportional to the radius of curvature. The correct answer is directly proportional to velocity of vehicles. The weaving length of a roadway is the distance A. between the channelizing islands, B. equal to half circumference, C. equal to total width of adjoining radial roads, D. equal to diameter of rotary. The correct answer is between the channelizing islands. Traffic surveys are carried out A. to know the type of traffic, B. to determine the facilities to traffic regulations, C. to design proper drainage system, D. all the above. The correct answer is all the above. If A is the projected area of a vehicle in square meters, V is speed of the vehicles in kilometers per hour and C is a constant, then the wind resistance R to the moving vehicles is given by AR is equal to CAV, BR is equal to CAV2, CR is equal to CAV3, D. The correct answer is R is equal to CAV2. The usual width of parapet walls along highways in hilly region is A 50 centimeters, B 60 centimeters, C 70 centimeters, D 80 centimeters. The correct answer is 60 centimeters. If C is basic capacity per lane, V is velocity in km/h, S is stopping distance plus length of the vehicles in meters, the formula is applicable to A district roads, B 2-lane roads, C 2-lane roads in one direction, D none of these. The correct answer is 2-lane roads in one direction. Width of vehicles affects the width of A lanes, B shoulders, C parking spaces, D all the above. The correct answer is all the above. First operation during the detailed survey of a hill road is A hydrological and soil surveys, B adjustment of alignment along with curves, C derivation of longitudinal and cross sections, D fixation of benchmarks. The correct answer is fixation of benchmarks. The period of long-term plan for the development of roads in India, known as Bombay Plan August 1958, is A 5 years, B 10 years, C 15 years, D 20 years. The correct answer is 20 years. In water-bound macadam roads, binding material is A sand, B stone dust, C cement, D brick dust. The correct answer is stone dust. According to Highway Research Board of U.S.A, practical land width is A 2.7 m, B 3.0 m, C 3.3 m, D 3.6 m. The correct answer is 3.6 m. Design of flexible pavements is based on A mathematical analysis, B empirical formulae, C a compromise of pure theory and pure empirical formula, D none of these. The correct answer is a compromise of pure theory and pure empirical formula. The efficiency of the brakes of a vehicle depends upon A condition of road surface, B condition of the tires, C presence of the show moisture, D all the above. The correct answer is all the above. Maximum super elevation on hill roads should not exceed A 5%, B 7%, C 8%, D 10%. The correct answer is 10%. The type of transition curves generally provided on hill roads is A circular, B cubic parabola, C lemniscate, D spiral. The correct answer is spiral. The basic formula for determination of pavement thickness was first suggested by A Spangler, B Pickett, C Kelly, D Goldbeck. The correct answer is Goldbeck. Increase in traffic volume, due to increase in transport vehicles, is known as A development traffic, B normal traffic growth, C generated traffic growth, D current traffic. The correct answer is normal traffic growth. If R is the radius of a main curve and L is the length of the transition curve, the shift of the curve is AL24R, BL224R, CL324R, DL424R. The correct answer is L224R. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. During reconnaissance the general route of the alignment is selected. B. After reconnaissance a trace is cut for the alignment. C. Last stage is the detailed surveys for desired geometries of the highway. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Deviation of the alignment of a trace cut may be permitted in areas involving A. Landslides. B. Sand dunes. C. Dens. D. None of these. The correct answer is landslides. If cross slope of a country is 10% to 25%, the terrain is classified as A. Rolling. B. Mountainous. C. Steep. D. Plain. The correct answer is rolling. Shoulders for high traffic volume roads should A. Be stable throughout the year to be used by vehicles in the case of emergency. B. Support and protect the ends of carriageways. C. Not allow entrance of water to subgrade. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. According to the recommendations of Nagpur Conference, the width formation of an ideal national highway in hard rock cutting is A. 8.9 m, B. 7.9 m, C. 6.9 m, D. 6.5 m. The correct answer is 7.9 m. The absolute minimum radius of horizontal curve for a design speed 60 km/h is A. 131 m, B. 210 m, C. 360 m, D. None of these. The correct answer is none of these. Volume of traffic which would immediately use a new road or an improved one when opened to traffic is known A. Development traffic. B. Current traffic. C. General traffic. D. Normal traffic growth. The correct answer is normal traffic growth. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. Safety fences are provided on either side of a roadway if embankments are in excess of 6 meters. B. Safety fences are provided on outside of the curves of radii less than 750 m if the embankments are between 3 meters and 6 meters. C. Guard stones are provided at 2.5 meters intervals if embankments are between 1.6 meters to 3 meters. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. In India the modes of transportation, in the order of their importance, are A. Air transport shipping roads railways. B. Shipping roads railways air transport. C. Roads railways air transport shipping. D. Railways roads shipping air transport. The correct answer is railways roads shipping air transport. On the recommendations of Indian Road Congress, the ruling gradient in planes is A. 1 in 15, B. 1 in 20, C. 1 in 30, D. 1 in 45. The correct answer is 1 in 30. The headlight of vehicles should be such that its lower beam illuminates objects at A. 10 m, B. 20 m, C. 30 m, D. 40 m. The correct answer is 30 m. The length of the side of warning sign boards of roads is A. 30 centimeters, B. 40 centimeters, C. 45 centimeters, D. 50 centimeters. The correct answer is 45 centimeters. A single-lane carriageway whenever changes to two-lane carriageway is affected through a taper of A. 1 in 10, B. 1 in 15, C. 1 in 20, D. 1 in 15 to 1 in 20. The correct answer is 1 in 15 to 1 in 20. The wall constructed for the stability of an excavated portion of a road on the hillside is known as A. Retaining wall, B. Breast wall, C. Parapet wall, D. All the above. The correct answer is breast wall. Maximum number of passenger cars that can pass a given point on a road during 1 hour under the most ideal roadway and traffic conditions is known as A. Traffic density, B. Basic capacity of traffic lane, C. Possible capacity of traffic lane, D. All the above. The correct answer is basic capacity of traffic lane.